In today's video, I am going to teach you how to set up international Shopify shipping. To begin, log into your Shopify admin panel. This is where you will manage all of your store settings, including shipping options for both local and international customers. Once you are inside the admin area, look to the lower left side of the screen and click on Settings. This is the gear icon, and it is where Shopify keeps the main configuration tools for your store. From the Settings menu, click on Shipping and Delivery. This section controls how your products are shipped, which shipping rates are available, and which regions you currently serve. If you are planning to sell to customers outside your home country, this is the area where that setup begins. Under the Shipping section, find the shipping profile you want to edit. In many stores, this will be called the General Profile. A shipping profile is used to organize how certain products are shipped and where they can be delivered. If most of your products follow the same shipping rules, the General Profile is usually the right place to make this change. Click on that profile to open it. Once you are inside the profile, scroll down until you see Shipping Zones. Shipping zones let you group countries or regions together so you can apply shipping options to them more efficiently. To start creating an international shipping area, click Create Zone. Now enter a zone name. This name should be something clear and easy to recognize later. For example, you might use International if you want one broad zone, or Europe if you are only setting up shipping for that region. Choosing a simple and specific name will make your shipping settings easier to manage as your store grows. After that, use the search bar to find and select the countries or regions you want to include in this shipping zone. Take your time here and make sure you are selecting the exact destinations you want to serve. This is an important part of the setup because it determines where customers will be able to place orders with shipping from your store. When you have selected all the countries or regions you want, click Done to confirm your choices. At that point, your new shipping zone will be created and ready for the next part of your shipping setup. That covers everything you need to know.